Hi friends, today I am going to unbox Mi Truck Builder. This set is for 6+ ages and also includes 530+ pieces, and I bought it from me.com. And also this contains block packs, rubber wheels, user manual and building instructions. Now let's unbox it. This box contains Mi Truck Builder building instruction manual, a user manual, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of blocks, and also includes 6 tires. Now I'm going to organize and show you all. Now I have organized it. Also, if you organize like this, it will be easy to this is my final product. Now I'm going to spin around and show you. Now let's see all the operations happening in this truck. If you open the radiator grill, you can see when you move forward and backward, you can see the engine working. Now I'm going to spin this knob to operate the dump. Now let's see what is happening under the truck. So you can see these two wheels here. If we spin them, this whole entire operating system will work. You can see the engine spinning and the axle. I enjoyed building this truck. It is very fun to build. Please go for it. You'll love it. It will also add extra fun to your free time. Thank you.